Okay, so we're down the hill from all the little cabins that are up on the hillside here. We're going to go down this little path and show you them. Up the hill. There's one of them. That's the red cabin. And the blue one's over here. And then if you keep going, you get to see the orange ones over here and the green one. Aren't they pretty? Look at these trees. And then we turn all the way around. See the pool? And through those trees is the place where we eat. Okay, here's the inside of the red cabin, and this is the cabin I stayed in when I was up here for a retreat. And we had so much fun in the cabin. And you can hear Sue opening the bathroom door. So this is one of the bigger cabins. There's each cabin has its own bathroom, and this one has more beds than the other ones do. And this one even has a little tucked-in bed over here. Okay, now we're walking up the final little part of the staircase here to the chapel, is what they call it. Look at this place. This is so cool. It's a big round room. I think it used to be some kind of a water tank, and they've made it into this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful room. So the beautiful round room is locked and we can't go inside, but maybe if we use the awesome camera to peek through the window, it has this incredibly thick white carpet. Maybe you can see how pretty it is in there. So here's what the views look like at the top of the property. Very California. This is exactly what it looks like in this part of California this time of year. And now we're going to go over to the other meeting room. Probably won't use this meeting room all that much, but we are going to use it for breakout groups. In we go. It's a meeting room. And what's really nice in here is when these back doors are open, you get such a beautiful view and the breeze comes in. It's just really, really, really nice. I got nice tables out there and the whole bit. What a beautiful stone labyrinth they've created here on the property. It's very meditative to walk labyrinths. We have a couple in Sonoma. I didn't know about this one. Isn't it gorgeous? It's really big too. Very, very pretty. Okay, now we're going to walk back down toward the pool area. Okay, so we're on the path walking here between the cabins. You can see we're kind of up on a hillside. The swim pool's down there. I think most of you know that I went to a retreat at this event center. That's why I know about it. And I'm just remembering sitting on these chairs right down there that are just coming into view. And I had a really profound conversation sitting on that bench right there. Flashback! Redwood trees? Watch this. Up, 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 up. And not to be outdone, we have a mighty oak tree keeping us company as well. Let's see if I can get this one. Wow! Oops. Okay, we're back to the pool area. So over there is the meeting room that we'll use most of the time. And those brown doors in the front slide open so we'll be able to have the fresh air. And then over here, I'm not sure we can go inside or not. Sounds like they're working in there, but let's just peek. This is where we'll have our food.
Se caen fácilmente. Todas esas cositas son señas. O si usted puede ver, si se para el niño, usted ve que empieza a torcerse para adentro.
Isn't this beautiful? So pretty here. Look at this table. It's one big piece of redwood. And here's another one. And then of course, oh, let's see if the camera can adapt. Good job. A beautiful view while we eat. And down this way, there's a hot tub. And it also sounds like they're working on something, doesn't it? So down there someplace is the hot tub and the restrooms, which is nice to know.